Hi kids, today in this video we are doing the unboxing and a giveaway of this learning toy for you. So please watch it till the end. Let's start unboxing. Let's see what do we get inside the box. Oh, it's a number plate. It's a wooden number plate. We've got numbers on it and dots. Oh, we've got some rings and ring holders. Let's open the wrap. We've got 10 numbers and 10 dotted plates. Let's arrange these. We have got 10 rings, 10 numbers and 10 dotted plates. Let's arrange this separately so we can arrange them easily on the board. Let's learn together from 1. Where is that one dotted plate? Yeah, here it is. No, it's 2. What comes after 2? 3. And then here comes the 4. And 5. These are beautiful. And 6. 7. and 8. 9. And the final 10. As we are done with the numbers, so let's start with the rings. First we need to put the holders inside and then put a ring on. For one number we'll put a single ring on it. Now we'll put for number 2. So we'll put the 2 rings. 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now for 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's start for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's start for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now it's the turn of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are doing for 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's start for 10 number and final. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yeah, we are done for today. Wow, they are very colorful. Aren't these beautiful? Do you want to win this, kids? To be part of this giveaway, please like, share and subscribe our video and follow our social handles and send us your screenshot of liking and subscribing this page on Facebook. Link is in the description box. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For more giveaways, be part of this channel. Thank you.
Please don't forget to like, share, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.